Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the whites of a project in CapCut. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a project here, and after that press on adjust down below. Now you can just press on adjust once again and press on whites here. And here you can just simply adjust the whites of the project, and once you are done with it you can just simply leave the project, and the changes that you have made there will be saved alongside with the project. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.